Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I show you how to rank your video, the ranking meter of your video. This is my video. Right now, go its properties, right click of your mouse in this video. Here go the properties. Right now, if you want to rename it, you can here type your name, dessert name. If you want to rename it, then you can use it. Or if you want to ranking factor, the major ranking factor is here. Just click on detail. Right now, here's title. Make your title here. Make your title here, type the video title. Right now go this video properties. Right now click on detail. Here the title, the video title, which you find here. Just copy it, select and copy it. Right now paste here this title. After pasting here, subtitle, type your subtitle here. What is your subtitle? My subtitle is this. I type here. Right now, rating. This is the ranking factor, major ranking factor on your YouTube video. Rating. Go this rating. If we select here rating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star. Right now, click manually 5 star. Select this. Right now, go the next steps is tags. Type here your tags. This is news video, that's why we type your news. Zoom it for better view. Type here news, today's news. Or you can type your trending news. You can see right now comments. Type the better comments of this video. Or as you see, for example, type your this video. This video is wonderful. I like this video. Just comment. Just type here your comment. This is your video description. Length 1 minute 17 seconds. This is my video length. And this is frame wide 854. This is my wide of this video. Frame height, this is height 480. This is my video frame. And this is data rate. How kbps is my data rate? Here 1059 kbps my data rate. And total bitrate, how many bitrate in this video file? Here are 1103 kbps. Kilobyte per second. kbps means kilobyte per second. My frame rate here is 25 frames per second. This is my audio bitrate, 54 kbps. This channel, my audio channel, 2 studio. Audio simple rate 44. Here is kilohertz. Right now, contributing artist. Who was the contributing artist? Type here. Simply I type I am this contributor of this artist, so that's why I type here my channel. This is my contributor artist. Right now, year. When you publish your video, when you make your video, type here your video in the year. I type here. And the genre. You can use your genre of music or your video genre. And type here news. Right now, origin of this your video. This is the origin of your video. Director. Type here your director name. Was your director? I simply type here my channel name. Right now, producer. Who was your video producer? I type here my channel name. Writer. Who was writer? I am the writer of this channel. So I type here my name. Publisher is mine. That's why I type here my name. Content provider. Who was provide this content? I type here Google and YouTube. Right now, media created. When we create this media, type here the date. Type here this date, which time I make this video, automatically generate here. Right now, encoded by. Type your encoding here. This is author link. Who was this video author? I am this video author. That's why I type my channel URL. I go my channel link. Copy my channel link and I go back my video. Go properties. Go detail. Here are more view. Right now, this is author URL. I type my URL here. The promotion URL. I type my channel name, channel URL. Right now, context. This content, paternal rating. How many rate? Type your rating. And paternal rating reason. You can type here. Composer was compose your video. You can type here specific composer. This is conductors. Was conductor of this video. This is period when you make your video. Mode, which mode it was happened, it was spread which mode. Part of set, how many set you part? This is one part, that we type here one. Initial key, how many initial key? If you use two initial key, you can type here. Beats per minute, how beats per minute you can type here. Protected, no, my video is not protected, that's why no here. This is my file name. This is my file title, video file title. Name, demo version of YouTube video. item type MP4 file. It was MP4. My video was MP4 file. Video path where my video was situated. Here type. Here automatically generate size. How many size in this video? 10 MB. Date create. When we create this video, automatically generate here. My bots automatically generate here. Attributes. Here are attributes. Offline availability. Offline status. Shared with. Who can see this video file? Owner. Who was owner this PC? This computer owner. This computer name. Computer name. Here are computer name. After completing this, zoom out for better view. After fully complete this, take a look top and bottom. If you found here some wrong, then you can correct this. After completing this, type here apply button, click on this. This setting was set. Now press OK button. Our video is completed for ranking. For better view, I show you again. Click on detail. This is on SEO. This is the most important for any video ranking. If you want to rank your video, this is the most important for you. This is the SEO. This is most important for any ranking video. Hope you understand this, the major fact. Right now, I hope you easily understand how to rank this video. Stay tuned this channel until I publish my next tutorial on this channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and you must share this video, this good article. It is the most important. There are no secret in this YouTube marketing. People who doesn't know, that was secret. Today I published one secret. This is the major ranking facts. Please share this video to your friends. Thank you for viewing this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Again say, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.